welcome back to the Burnt Brad's Homestead channel. This is an update on a sweet potato slip started a few months ago and the progress to date. The vines are looking good and healthy, but one of the cons of growing sweet potatoes in this greenhouse is that the vines spread over everything. This is just a minor issue that we can easily overcome or deal with over the course of the next 60 days. I will do another video in this sweet potato slip series around the time the sweet potatoes are ready to be harvested. As always, I hope this video was beneficial to you. Please like, share, and subscribe to this channel so that it may grow. Also, please feel free to leave a comment, as this will help in the algorithm to find this channel.